Hello viewers, welcome back to Santosha's kitchen. Today we shall cook this authentic chicken dum biryani, spice and tasty. So take this half kilo chicken pieces for biryani and add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, and then your choice of favorite biryani masala powder of 3 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste that you can prepare at home or purchase it outside. And the main ingredient, curd, and take it almost 5 to 6 tablespoons for this kind of chicken. Now here we shall add the green chili paste. This will really help you, and I added few mint leaves as well along with green chili there. Now add a little bit of oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons, so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Now mix it well, and we will keep this aside for marination after mixing so that we can boil the rice. And I have already soaked basmati, and this basmati rice, you can soak it for not more than half an hour. Okay. Now it's mixed well, so we shall add a little bit of salt here. 1 tablespoon or 1.5 should be more than enough. Okay, and mix it thoroughly after adding this salt. And whenever you prepare biryani, always remember you have to keep this brown onion ready so that we can sprinkle it on the marination, which helps you to absorb the moisture, extra moisture, and as well as gives you nice taste. So take a empty bowl here to boil the rice. Add salt, crushed cardamom, shahi jeera, and then oil to this, right? And lemon juice. Don't forget the lemon juice. You can squeeze 2 lemons or 3 lemons there, which really helps you to keep the grains soft and non-sticky. Now once the water is boiled, add the soaked basmati rice into this. And this basmati rice, when you add it while the water is boiling, it doesn't cook 100%, and it doesn't be more sticky. Okay, so once you see that this basmati rice is cooked almost 85 to 90%, so just drain the water and sprinkle it on the marinated pieces that we have kept aside. So if you want, you can keep the marination overnight, but here I did not do that. So this brown onion goes on the top, and a little bit of color. Okay, and now ghee. So don't forget the topping, the ghee as much as possible. It depends upon how much you like, but 2 to 3 tablespoons should be enough. And cook it on a high flame for 5 minutes and low flame for 20 minutes. And there, the biryani is ready. Just open it and serve it on a plate. See, look at the grains. Non-sticky, long, smooth, soft, and you will love this taste. The authentic Hyderabadi Chicken Dum Biryani. The speciality of biryani is the taste, the flavor will be different in every grain that you eat. Look at that. So you would definitely love this. Try this at home. So see you next time. Bye bye.